In today's video, we will be watching the Union Pacific trains that make their way north and south on the Union Pacific McGehee and Monroe subdivisions. We start off in the small town of Swartz, Louisiana, where UPQLINL is making its way north at milepost 492 on the McGehee subdivision. Waiting in the siding to get the go-ahead was UPMPBAD, a southbound manifest that originates in Pine Bluff and terminates in Addis, Louisiana. The lead unit number 9805 is a C44-9W, built by General Electric in 1994. 9805 was formerly one of the Chicago Northwestern twin units, the last two locomotives in the CNW library that remained unpatched. As the line makes its way south, UP crosses over the KCS Vicksburg sub-main line in Monroe, Louisiana. Here we see a KCS manifest crossing over the UP back in 2015. This is where the McGehee sub transitions into the Monroe subdivision. At milepost 501.25, we found UPMPBLI making its way toward the Union Pacific yard in Monroe. The train had two CSX and a NS motor in the consist. After the manifest cleared the yard, it quickly picked up some speed. We decided to try out a spot my friend discovered called Buckhorn Bend. It gave us an excellent show. The last train of this video is another MPBAD, this time led by UP 8484 and UP 6357.